Kids, welcome to my channel Chiku Kids. Today we learn alphabets A to Z, alphabets 1 to 10, numbers name A, B, C, D, A for apple, B for ball, C for car, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And colors for kids. This is a color box, brush pens colors. Kids, ये है brush pen colors. Let's start. Unbox this box. See? Ooh, wow! There's beautiful colors. Kids, wow! There's many colors. Let's start. Learn colors name. Wow! There's many colors. Kids, let's learn colors name. Color for kids. Alphabets for kids. Let's start. This is a black brush pen. This is a brown brush pen. This is purple color brush pen. And this is blue color brush pen. This is sky blue brush pen. This is dark green brush pen. This is green brush pen. And this is yellow brush pen, orange brush pen, red brush pen, dark pink brush pen, and pink brush pen. And this is two white brush pen and grey brush pen. Kids, let's start. Alphabets drawing. Let's start alphabet drawing. Kids, if you like my video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Let's start with purple color. A for apple. This brush pen work very smoothly. Very smooth. Wow, this is brush pen. A for apple. And next is blue color. B for broccoli, blue color. And next is C, sky blue color. C for cherry, sky blue color. And next is green color, dark green color. D for dinosaur, green color. Wow, it's beautiful work. E, light green color. E for elephant, light green color. And next is yellow color. F for fish, yellow color. And next is orange color. G for gun, orange color. And next is H for helicopter, red color. Next is dark pink. I for ice cream. Kids, again J for juice, purple color. And next is blue color. K for kite, blue color. L, next is L for lion, blue color. Next is M for monkey, mango, green color. Next is N for nuts, light green color. And yellow color, where are you? This is yellow color. O for owl. Next is orange color. P for peacock, orange color. Next is red color. Q for queen, red color. And R for rose, dark pink color. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. And next is light pink color, S. And S for sun. Light blue color, T. T for tomato. And yellow color, U. U for umbrella, yellow color. Next is pink color, V. V for van. And light blue color, W. W for watermelon. Next is U. Yellow color. And next is pink color, Y. Y for yak. Next is blue color, Z. Z for zip. Kids now learn numbers name. Numbers black color and brown color. Number 1 black color. And number 2 brown color. And number 3 black color. Number 4 brown color. Number 5 black color. Number 6 brown color. Number 7 black color. Number 8 brown color. Number 9 black color. Number 10 brown color. Kids, let's start. Learn alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Let's learn numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 to 10 counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye kids. See you next video.